What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express, back with another video on one of our amazing products for you Hellcat and Demon owners out there. This is the upgrade that your Hellcat wants. The Billet Supercharger Lid for Hellcat and Demons is finally back after many hours of reimagining and improving our previous design. These extremely smooth, volume-increasing billet lids replace the flow-restricting factory supercharger lid for a quick and easy install. Not to mention that these lids look absolutely amazing and are dual purpose for nitrous or water methanol, or even both at the same time. The improved airflow design of the lid ensures maximum flow, and the placement of the nitrous and water methanol passages provide huge increases in horsepower and torque. The spray-bar-less nitrous system injects nitrous and fuel in line with the supercharger air discharge, so that the nitrous and fuel mixture is directly pulled evenly into each runner. Injecting nitrous into this pre-intercooled hot air discharge super cools the air charge, which results in increased airflow across the factory intercooler for maximum power gains. As mentioned before, this system is a spray-bar-less design. A spray-bar-less design means that the nitrous and fuel passages are CNC machined directly into the lid itself, rather than inserting a spray bar into the lid. This means that the spray pattern will be in the perfect location every time, allowing for the most amount of power to be made without wasting any nitrous or fuel. This Nitrous Express system includes a ready to bolt on billet supercharger lid that adds up to a minimum of 25 horsepower even if you don't add any nitrous or water methanol, a billet fuel line adapter, our Lightning series billet aluminum and carbon fiber solenoids, stainless steel braided line for nitrous and fuel, all of the wiring, switches, and mounting hardware necessary to install your system, jetting for 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and 400 horsepower, and a 10-pound nitrous bottle with stainless steel bottle brackets and our industry-exclusive Lightning 500 bottle valve. For more information on this product, visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.